I'm arriving in Shelburne. I'm going to proceed to the Islands Provincial Park to do some cooking there. And here, this is at the Islands Provincial Park right here. I'm going to go in the picnic area. You can do some camping here too, by the way, but you have to make reservations to come here. This is the ride or the road that you take to go into the picnic area. Quite a few tables on the side and water on both sides of this peninsula. A bit of reflection once in a while from the dartboard here as we go through some of these sunnier areas. A couple of what we take a walk. On the left hand side is where you can see the city or the town of Shelburne. It wasn't very busy here today because of the COVID, I guess. On the left here was a launch area for boats. Here's my van set up ready for camping, not camping, but for, I'm gonna not camp here, but I'm gonna make a meal here, my dinner. Some spare nappa gas. Clean out my old Coleman stove. It's about 50 years old. I had a newer one, it broke down, but the shelf I just pull out to put the stove on. It makes it very handy for stopping any place to cook a meal. I'm putting the pressure in the fuel tank there, so it'll cause the fuel to flow to the burners of the stove. It was a beautiful warm day here, about 28 degrees Celsius. Looking for a frying pan here to cook. I think I should have used a pot rather than a frying pan. But anyhow, it's what I chose today. I'll go to look for my dehydrated food there on the side of the van. I need also a little water to put in the dehydrated food there to cook. That was the dehydrated package. A bend something or other. I'm not sure what I forget what the type was. It took about 20 minutes to cook there. It wasn't longer than typically what I should select. Adding a little bit water to the dehydrated food. Keep my paper towels on the backrest of my van there as a holder for the roll. Try to move the fuel away from the open flame. It's best to have it further away. My meal's all ready. I use the frying pan as a dish, and when it comes to cleaning the dishes, it makes her less to clean. When you camp alone, you can do whatever you want, I guess. There was a lot of wind noise in the audio part, so I decided to dub my voice over what I recorded previous. My meal is now over, and just need to clean my dishes, but that didn't take long at all. I just had one frying pan to clean and a spoon or a fork there. I forget what I was using, probably a spoon. And just heated water in the pan there initially, and then wiped it off with a little bit of soap there, and then wiped it off with a paper towel. Just putting the pan away now. Here's a side view of my shelf and stove. Pretty simple setup. I find it extremely useful to have that sliding tray there on the back for shelf. Here I'm all done, and I just want to start putting my stuff away, and I'll be all ready to travel again. Stay tuned for the next part of this adventure. just checking how warm the stove is, because it has to be cooled down before I can put it together and store it away. Obviously it's cool enough because I was able to touch it. I'm putting away my 2 chairs right now.